Good evening, students. Today we are going to see about the effects of deforestation. What are all the effects will occur because of this cutting down of trees we are going to see. In that 6 subdivisions we are going to see as a main part. So first one, if you see, extinction of species. First one, and second one, soil erosion. The third one is water cycle, destruction of agricultural area, and lack of food and water, and global warming. So these are all the several consequences we are going to face because of this effects of deforestation. So now one by one we are going to see in detail about it. So in this extension of species, if you see, the species are nothing but the living creatures. The living creatures, it talks about the plants, animals. It may be a large size animal or small size animals, birds, microorganisms. All these things are comes under this species. So everything what will happen, it will come to an end of their life. So because of this effects of deforestation, it will start their life to be a dead. Okay, so that is called as extinction of species. And moreover, if you see, 50 to 100 percentage of species, okay, 50 to 100 species, 50 to 100 species of animals are lost for every day. Okay, so this is a recordical message the government has been announced. And one more important thing, if you see, more than 80% of the world species remains in the tropical rainforest. So forest is a very important area. It is like a backbone also, we can say, for the living being, for the human being, we can say. So that should not be harmed, it should be protected. If not, it may lead to extinction of species. So once the plants are affected, the animals will not grow properly. Once the animals are affected, the human being will not get the proper food. So automatically, if you see, the food chain or the ecosystem will be disturbed totally because of this deforestation, we can say. And next, if you see, the soil erosion. Soil erosion is nothing but the removal of topsoil leads to soil erosion. So the soil will become unhealthy or infertile, we can say. And such a soil we can call it as soil erosion. And one more thing, what will happen, because of this uproot of plants and trees, it may lead to soil erosion. And what will happen if the trees are not being there, it leads to, the place will lead to high temperature. So because of this high temperature, what will happen, the water which are present, the water bodies which are present will be evaporated more in number. So the water scarcity will occur, and because of this there will not be any rain also. This total water cycle will become problem because of this deforestation, we can say. So next we are going to say about the lack of agricultural area. So what will happen, all the agricultural area, because of the environmental changes, if you see, because of high temperature or no rainfall, what will happen, the farmers are trying to leave their area, the agricultural area, for the construction process. So the builders, what they are doing, they are constructing the buildings there. So what will happen when the agricultural area are utilized for the building purpose, what will happen at large, it may leads to lack of food. So automatically the food production will be disturbed. Okay, so it leads to lack of food and water. So the rainfall will be disturbed. So every problem will be taken over once the agricultural area or the food production or the deforestation takes place. So we have to be very careful. The agricultural area should be utilized only for the cultivation process, not for the construction purpose. Clear, children? And next, if you see, the water cycle also, it also disturbs a lot because of this deforestation. In what aspect means, once the plants are there, the animals will be there, the microorganism or macroorganism will survive properly. And once the plants are there, what will happen, the rainfall we can expect, most probably where we can expect the proper rainfall means in the forest region. So the water cycle will be maintained, especially in the forest region. So what will happen, once we are disturbing the plants or trees means, automatically the water cycle process will be disturbed. In what way? One, if you see, the transpiration process won't take place because of this deforestation. What I mean by transpiration process, it is nothing but the removal of excess water. What will happen, the water which the plants will get water, if the excess water are being absorbed by the plants, again it will be released in the atmosphere in the form of water vapor by means of transpiration process. Clear? That is called as transpiration process. So this transpiration process will be affected because of this deforestation, we can say. And one more thing, when the trees are cut down, the amount of water vapor released it down, it get decreased, and hence there is no decrease in the rainfall. So this is a problem what we are facing because of this cutting down of trees. Clear, children? So next, global warming. What do you mean by global warming? It is nothing but increase in the temperature. So the temperature will become start increasing, so which we cannot bear it. Can you understand? That is called as global warming. So what will happen? The heat which are penetrated from the earth to the atmosphere, again it will be reflected, and it affect the ozone layer also. Again it comes back to the earth itself. So that heat, if you see, that uh, we cannot bear that pain or that heat. So that is called as global warming. And in that situation, what will happen? The oxygen level will be decreased and the carbon dioxide level will be increased. So the breathing disturbance will be taken over in the atmosphere. Not only for the human being, even for the plants it get disturbed, even for the animals it get disturbed. And next, if you see the increase in the methane, because of this global warming, increase in the methane gas, nitrogenous oxide, and also it leads to the greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases are most responsible for the global warming. And what will happen? One more side, if you see the Arctic region, Antarctic region, if you see the melting of ice caps, the ice caps and icebergs or ice glaciers will start melting, and it becomes the seashore level will be extended. So automatically, like a flood or a cyclone, it starts. Okay, so these are all the problem which we can see. And next, if you see the lack of food, we have said lack of, not only lack of food, it may leads to water, even the air also scarcity starts here. In what way? Once the plants are being deforestation takes place in the forest, the food what we are getting, it will be disturbed, and water supply won't be there, the rainfall will be disturbed. Then air, because of cutting down of trees, the air won't be there, that is oxygen demand will be there. And next one, if you see, the medicine also plays a major role. So not only these things are disturbed, even the medicine, because most probably the medicines we are getting from the forest only, the Ayurvedic, Unani, everybody are depending upon the forest for taking the food, water, air, and even for the medicine purpose. So everything, if you see, collapsed because of this deforestation process. So these are all the effects of deforestation. Clear, children?